Expedition Overview. Set sail aboard the National Geographic Sea Bird, a nimble, expedition-ready vessel ideal for exploring Alaska's narrow fjords and hidden bays. This 6-day journey takes you deep into the Inside Passage, one of the most untouched and ecologically rich coastal regions on the planet. Main destinations: Ketchikan. The adventure begins in this charming coastal town, known as the gateway to Alaska's wilderness. Misty Fjords National Monument, a vast federally designated wilderness marked by towering cliffs and mirror-like waters. Explored up close by kayak and zodiac, offering intimate views of dramatic, glacially carved fjords. Notable geological features include exfoliated rock faces like the famed Owl's Face. Wrangell, a historic Alaskan town accessible only by air or sea. Highlights include a thrilling jet boat ride up the Stikine River to the Shakes Glacier and ice cap. Visits to ancient Tlingit petroglyphs etched in stone along the shoreline. A stop at the Chief Shakes clan house for a deeper understanding of Tlingit traditions, and at Awau, sacred clan belongings. En route, guests witnessed a traditional indigenous canoe landing, part of the lead-up to the biennial celebration in Juneau. Whitney Island, a seldom-visited gem rich in natural beauty and biodiversity, explored the lush rainforest and vibrant intertidal zone, observed sea urchin skeletons, starfish behavior, and a variety of seabirds in their natural habitat. Environmental and cultural insights. Journey through the Tongass National Forest, the largest intact temperate rainforest on Earth and a vital carbon sink. Learn about glacial geology and the ecological importance of fjords sculpted by ancient ice. Gain deep appreciation for indigenous stewardship, particularly Tlingit storytelling, culture, and respect for ancestral lands. Looking ahead. The voyage continues into Frederick Sound and Stevens Passage, where the waters are rich with marine life. Guests can look forward to breathtaking whale encounters and continued immersion in Alaska's wild majesty.